Hello and welcome. I will show you how to download and play Veloren. As you can see, I already played it and made videos of it. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see more Veloren videos. To download Veloren, you just go to veloren.net and here you can immediately press the download button, but this one doesn't seem to really work, so you have to scroll down and then you have downloads nightly and then you have various versions and 0.3.0. By the time you are watching this, there are probably other versions. The number here, that is the title of a stable, more or less stable release. This is if you are very unfriendly to bugs and don't want to just test the latest version, then get this version, and probably you want the Windows x64. Or if you have Linux, get this one. For Mac there are no builds yet, unfortunately. You would have to read how to do this on your own. If you want the latest version with the latest features, but also the most instability probably, get the nightly one. Just press download and then a file called artifacts will be downloaded. Once you have reached that file, just right click and extract all. Press next, wait for this to complete. It can take a while. It's a big container and it should open the folder for you. If it doesn't, just open the folder artifacts, not the zip file. Actually, I'm gonna delete the zip file. And here we have two exe files and the assets. You can check out the files of which the game consists, if you're interested, background. But if you just want to play the game, you have to not use Veloren server, you have to use Veloren voxel. Run that, and there might be this kind of thing popping up. You will have to press run anyway, and with the F11 key you can switch to full screen. Now give this video a like, since you got so far, but keep watching because there's more things to know to run this properly. There's a server enabled by default, and you can pick a username here. There's probably none by default. My new name, let's call it that. There's a server list, but there's only one for now, so never mind that. You can press login to log in and create the user with the password you enter, and if it's empty it will be an empty password. Or you can press single player. If you press single player, then the server will have to run on your computer, which might reduce the performance, so I highly recommend you play online. But first you need to create a character. I think there are some default ones, but you can just press create character, pick whatever you like, change hair color, change style, change eyebrow, eye color, accessories and beard, and also your weapon. You can be a bow guy or a hammer guy or lady or a sword lady or an axe lady. Let's see. So the wizard thing and the dagger thing, those are not available yet. Will be an orc guy for now with a hammer. You can give a character a name, Rufus, and create, and then just press enter world, and there we go. Once you drop, press shift to slow down your fall so you can enjoy the view a little better, and you can start moving with WASD. F2 removes all the UI, which is great for having a nice look around. And whenever you die, you spawn in the air. I don't quite understand the logic of where you spawn yet, but that's how it is. Again, this is single player, so there's nobody around except for NPCs, AI, creeps. This is what happens when you die. Just click and you will respawn. It looks like a completely different location. With M you can see the map, but currently it doesn't really work yet. Hopefully by the time you're watching this, it does work. Hey, check it out, there's a town there. What's that house doing outside of a town? Okay, I'm just gonna press escape and log out. Now if you press login instead of single player, you will log into the online server. We're just gonna pick whatever character is available. And now the nice thing is, you can talk to people. Now the question is anybody online? Oh, there are 7 players online actually. Check it out. When you press O, you can see who is online, and there are actually 6 other people there. But right now there's no feature to find the other people. But you can see as they also die. So you feel less lonely when you do. That's it. Remember to give the video a like by pressing the thumbs up button, and subscribe if you want to see more Veloren videos on this channel. Hope to see you in the next video. Until then, ciao!